How to build an e-commerce business in 2024. In the fast-paced digital age of 2024, the realm of commerce has shifted dramatically towards the online sphere, presenting entrepreneurs with unparalleled opportunities to build successful e-commerce businesses. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or a newcomer to the world of online commerce, mastering the art of e-commerce is essential for thriving in today's competitive landscape. Identify your niche and target audience. The first step in building an e-commerce business is to identify your niche market and target audience. Consider your passions, interests, and areas of expertise to determine the products or services you want to offer. Conduct market research to assess the demand for your chosen niche and identify potential competitors. By understanding the needs and preferences of your target audience, you can tailor your offerings to meet their specific desires and stand out in a crowded marketplace. Once you've identified your niche market, create detailed buyer personas to represent your ideal customers. Consider factors such as demographics, psychographics, and purchasing behavior to develop a deep understanding of your target audience's motivations and pain points. By focusing on a niche market and catering to the unique needs of your target audience, you can position your e-commerce business for success and establish a loyal customer base. Choose the right e-commerce platform. Selecting the right e-commerce platform is crucial for the success of your online business. With a plethora of options available in 2024, from hosted platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce to open-source solutions like WooCommerce and Magento, it's essential to choose a platform that aligns with your business needs and goals. Consider factors such as ease of use, customization options, scalability, and pricing when evaluating e-commerce platforms. Additionally, assess the features and functionalities offered by each platform, such as payment processing, inventory management, and marketing tools. Look for platform integrations and third-party apps that can enhance your e-commerce experience and streamline your business operations. By choosing the right e-commerce platform for your business, you can create a seamless shopping experience for your customers and effectively manage your online store. Create a compelling brand and website. Building a strong brand identity and professional website is essential for establishing credibility and attracting customers to your e-commerce business. Start by crafting a compelling brand story that reflects your values, mission, and unique selling proposition. Develop a memorable brand name, logo, and visual identity that resonates with your target audience and sets your business apart from competitors. Next, design a user-friendly and visually appealing website that showcases your products or services effectively. Choose a clean and intuitive layout, high-quality images, and engaging copy to create an immersive shopping experience for visitors. Optimize your website for mobile devices to ensure a seamless browsing and checkout process for customers on smartphones and tablets. Curate a compelling product catalog. Your product catalog is the heart of your e-commerce business, so it's crucial to curate a selection of high-quality products that resonate with your target audience. Conduct market research to identify trending products, niche opportunities, and gaps in the market that align with your brand and target audience. Source products from reputable suppliers or manufacturers, and ensure that they meet your quality standards and specifications. When curating your product catalog, consider factors such as pricing, margins, and competitive positioning. Offer a diverse range of products that appeal to different customer segments and address various needs and preferences. Leverage product bundling, upselling, and cross-selling strategies to increase the average order value and encourage repeat purchases. Implement effective marketing strategies. Marketing is essential for driving traffic to your e-commerce website and generating sales. In 2024, there are countless marketing channels and tactics available to e-commerce businesses, from search engine optimization, SEO, and social media marketing to email marketing and influencer partnerships. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy that combines various channels and tactics to reach your target audience and achieve your business goals. Start by optimizing your website for search engines to improve your visibility and ranking in search engine results pages, SERPs. Create valuable content such as blog posts, product guides, and video tutorials to attract organic traffic and establish your authority in your niche. Moreover, consider partnering with influencers or affiliate marketers in your niche to expand your reach and tap into their engaged audiences. Run paid advertising campaigns on platforms like Google Ads, Facebook ads, or Instagram ads to target specific demographics and drive traffic to your website. By implementing effective marketing strategies, you can increase brand awareness, acquire customers, and grow your e-commerce business in 2024 and beyond. Provide exceptional customer service. Delivering exceptional customer service is paramount for building trust, loyalty, and repeat business in the competitive e-commerce landscape. Prioritize responsiveness, reliability, and transparency in all your interactions with customers, whether through email, live chat, or social media. Provide clear and detailed product descriptions, shipping information, and return policies to set expectations and minimize misunderstandings. Additionally, offer multiple channels for customer support and ensure timely responses to inquiries and concerns. Implement a user-friendly and secure checkout process to streamline the purchasing experience and minimize cart abandonment. Proactively seek feedback from customers and use it to improve your products, services, and overall shopping experience. Optimize for mobile commerce. In today's mobile-first world, optimizing your e-commerce website for mobile devices is essential for reaching and engaging with customers on the go. With the increasing prevalence of smartphones and tablets, more and more consumers are browsing and shopping online using their mobile devices. Therefore, it's crucial to ensure that your website is mobile responsive and provides a seamless experience across all devices. Start by implementing a responsive design that automatically adjusts to fit the screen size and resolution of any device, whether it's a smartphone, tablet, or desktop computer. Optimize page load times, navigation, and checkout process for mobile users to minimize friction and improve the overall user experience. Test your website on various devices and browsers to identify any issues or areas for improvement and make necessary adjustments. Stay agile and adapt to market trends. In the rapidly evolving landscape of e-commerce, staying agile and adaptable is essential for long-term success. Keep a pulse on market trends, consumer behavior, and technological innovations to anticipate changes and pivot your strategies accordingly. Monitor your competitors and industry leaders to identify emerging opportunities and threats and adjust your approach as needed. Continuously test and iterate on your e-commerce strategies, from product selection and pricing to marketing tactics and customer service initiatives. Experiment with new technologies and tools that can enhance your e-commerce operations, such as artificial intelligence, AI, augmented reality, AR, and voice commerce. Embrace a culture of innovation and learning within your organization, encouraging creativity and collaboration among your team members. Building an e-commerce business in 2024 requires careful planning, strategic execution, and continuous adaptation to succeed in today's competitive landscape. By following the steps outlined in this guide and leveraging the latest tools and technologies, you can create a thriving online store that attracts customers, drives sales, and generates sustainable revenue. Whether you're selling products or services, catering to niche markets, or broad audiences, the principles of e-commerce remain the same. Understand your audience, deliver value, and prioritize customer satisfaction. With dedication, persistence, and a commitment to excellence, you can build a successful e-commerce business that stands the test of time. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.